Hello guys, in this tutorial, which will be my 100th video uploaded, I'm gonna show you how to get your own Teamspeak free server and install it on your computer. I use it all the time with my friends. They just connect to my server and we talk while we play. It's really nice. You're gonna either go to the link in the description, www.teamspeak.com, or just Google Teamspeak. From this site, you're gonna go to the tab Downloads, and here you're gonna take the server of the operating system you are using on your computer. I got Windows and I'm using 32-bit. Also, if you don't already have Teamspeak and would like to have a server and Teamspeak, this is what you use to connect to Teamspeak, the client. But yeah, I'm gonna download the server because I already got a client. When you get to this page, which is the license agreement, you're gonna scroll down to the very bottom and press I agree. You're gonna save it to your computer, and yeah, I've already downloaded it, but there was some kind of bug. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut it out to my desktop and paste it in. And I was gonna extract the files. And I can now remove this Teamspeak thingy. Now we got a folder called Teamspeak, blah 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 blah. You're gonna change the name of it to anything you want, or just keep it as it is. I'm gonna name it to Teamspeak server. You can place it wherever you want on your computer. It doesn't matter. Also, the name doesn't matter. And this is your server. All these files. Now the first time you start a server, you're gonna take down some information. So I'm gonna make a text document called pv.txt. I'm gonna take it up so I have it ready to be typed. And now it's gonna start the server. Like I said, the first time you take it up, you will get a login name and the password. And the second time you start the server, this won't come up. Don't care about this, it's not important. You will get this from another file. But let's say you didn't save this and stopped your server and you started it. Then, as you can see, there is no admin login information. So how do you get that? Well, you need to reset your server. So we're gonna delete this file, then start the server again. Also, remember, when you are deleting this file, be sure to delete the 2 logs, or the logs that you have in this log folder. Why? Well, because when you are making yourself admin on the server, you will check the first log for the token. But since this is the log from the old server, I'm gonna check this file. And you might... I didn't know that, so I thought, what the hell, why didn't this token work? Well, it did, but it was the wrong one. So yeah, delete the logs before you start the server again. And yeah, now we're gonna take down this information here by simply just typing login. Login name is always server admin, and password is case sensitive, so you need to have big and small letters. Big U, small u, 3 F R. Think that's right. Gonna double check. I missed the 4. See, always good to double check. Gonna save that, and I was gonna stop the server and start it again. Okay, there we go. Now we can connect to the server, and this you do by connecting to your private IP. Or you could connect to your normal IP, and that is really easy to get. You just go to myip.nl, copy that, paste it in here, and also default port is always 9987. But now if I try to connect, I won't be able to connect because I don't have that port open. I don't have the 9987 port open. So I'm gonna link you to a little tutorial which will show you how to open ports for Counter-Strike Source dedicated server. But it's basically the same thing, but instead of taking the Counter-Strike Source dedicated server port, you're taking the port you want, 9987, or you can change the port on Teamspeak, which I will show you in another tutorial right after this one. So yeah, but if you want to connect and fix your server and make yourself admin, just take up run, go to CMD, and type in ipconfig. And yeah, also, if you have a router, we'll say you need to port forward. If you don't have a router, I think your port is already open. But yeah, this is your IP address, this is your private IP, and you're gonna connect to that. So remember that. Go to connect 192.168.0.100. Press connect. No password because it is the default server. It has no password. And I need to restart my server because my antivirus is fucking up. This. There we go. But now I'm not admin. So how do you get admin? Well, like I said before, you go into the logs files, take the first log made. If you have restarted your server, make sure that you take the log file created for the server and not for the server before that. So yeah, just copy all that, and don't worry, the log file can still be there because you can only use a token once. Once you have used it, you can't give this to your friend, and yeah, it won't work like that. So yeah, now I'm server admin. That S means server admin. Now we can change the name of the server. So I'm gonna change it to Furu server. Here you can have slots, but I think 32 is maximum. Also reserve slot if you want to. As you can see here, you can have links to your website or something by placing it between the URL code. You can also have password for your server, and this is the password that you will use to log in to the server. So if I put in 123 here, press apply, I'm gonna confirm the code. Now disconnect and connect. If I now connect without the code, I will be able to connect since I'm server admin, but anyone else needs to type in the code. You can easily make a new channel by creating channel, type in name, type in topic, description. I would suggest making the channel type permanent so it won't go away the next time you restart your server. And I would also bring down this so you won't put too much internet, I don't know what it's called, whatever, so you won't slow down your computer too much. Press OK. Next, if you're making, you can basically make sub channels to this. There you have sub channel. You can also easily choose where you want it to be. If you want it to be after the, no wait, now I should, yeah, here we go. You can choose it to be after AA or after ASA, blah blah, whatever. There we go. And also the channels, you can decide where you want them to be, after tour channel, diff channel, and blah blah, just like that. Okay, so that is how you connect to your server and how do you make your own server. It's really easy, and if you want to make someone admin, you just right click and create admin on the name, set server group, take in server admin. If you want to make just channel like your admin, you just take in channel admin or operator, the different powers. So yeah, If you need to port forward, follow the link in the description to video, or just go into port forward and find out how to do it yourself. If you need to change the port, since I'm gonna do that because I already have some port forward. I have all the Steam, Half-Life, and Steam's ports open, so I'm gonna change it to that. Yeah, so watch my next tutorial. Please subscribe and comment, and yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. See ya.